Combination,
honestly,
Toba, Timaya, Fino, and Olamide with Telly Person.
Yes.
Such a jam. Welcome back, guys, to the show. It is now time for entertainment news. First up, Clarence Peters in police custody over the death of dancer. Nigerian music video director and filmmaker Clarence Peters has been invited by the Lagos State Police Command for questioning over the death of video vixen and dancer Love Divine, aka Picture Kodak, which reportedly happened at his apartment or studio. According to the spokesperson of the Lagos State Police Command, Bala Elkanah, he confirmed that the video director alongside others who were present in his residence during the incident were all invited for questioning. He said, and I'm quoting, "They are detained. It is full-fledged investigation. It is a murder charge. We are probably looking at murder. We are not concluding at this stage. If she died of electrocution, according to reports, it is left for us to find out. Was she actually electrocuted? What went wrong? Autopsy will also show." In a recent development, Clarence Peters has finally spoken up about the deceased dancer's passing and the circumstances surrounding her death. In a freshly uploaded Instagram post, the cinematographer confirmed that Picture Kodak was in fact on the premises of Capital Dreams Pictures with him and 5 other team members that evening. However, he was not physically in the same room as her when the incident occurred. According to him, it was after that it had occurred that the people who were with her rushed in and called his attention to the fact that she had collapsed.
He also wrote that while he wasn't present at the scene of the incident, he was told what happened by those at the scene. They told him that while taking a break from a dance session, Picture Kodak was sitting on one of the metal sliding door rails, charging and using her phone plugs to an extension box. Now, she was also said to have been electrocuted with her phone found on her chest with severe burn marks and the phone's imprint on her chest. Clarence Peters also went on to detail the journey from that point to the hospital. Now, he explained that they rushed her to the nearest hospital but were refused entry because she was presumed to be a COVID-19 patient. So they kept trying until they got to a third hospital where she was pronounced dead 30 minutes after arrival. The video director also cleared the air regarding an arrest. He wrote, "Please note that no one has been charged or arrested by the police. The witnesses and I willingly made ourselves available to the police, and we have all pledged our full cooperation through every part of this process. Love Divine, aka Picture Kodak, who is popular for her dance routines in various Nigerian music videos, allegedly died from electrocution while she was charging her phone at Clarence Peters' apartment in Omole Estate, Lagos."
Wow, this is very sad. It's
Honestly.
a very sad news, and you know, we first heard of her death, and we didn't really know the circumstances around it, and the story has been unfolding gradually, and I think it's quite an unfortunate thing that it happened in the premises of, well, that it happened in the first place, and that it also happened in Clarence Peters' premises, and the alleged electrocution. I know that it's something that people do not foresee happening. You know, you don't just think that I'm going to charge my phone, and you know, it just doesn't come through to your mind. And you know, it's also very shocking or scary, you know, what the Lagos State Police spokesman is saying, that they're going to find out if it's alleged murder, and they're going to look into it. So we just have to see how this one
unfolds. I just think that, you know, this is a story that you just want to stay quiet and keep watching how the story unfolds, because an autopsy has not been conducted. They said it was going to be done today from what we heard. So, you know, fingers crossed. Until then, we can't really say much, honestly. That's the truth.
Yeah.
But it's sad, and
just have
may
to,
her soul rest in
and
perfect
sending love and light to her family members. And you know, it affected a lot of people. A lot of celebrities have come out to say, you know, this was one
dancer who was, and then it happened on
actually had such an impact on people.
Yeah,
so.
And it happened on the day that was set aside to celebrate dancers worldwide. So it kind of broke a lot of people, because, you know, people already posted, you know, dancers that I love and all of that. And then on that same day, you know, she passed. So that's just really, it's actually a really sad situation, but we'll just keep our fingers crossed and we'll keep watching.
I'll wait for more statements from that one.
Absolutely.
All right, moving on to more news. Davido announces new album and collaboration with Nicki Minaj. Less than a year after the release of a Good Time album, Davido is ready to drop another project. He made the announcement via Twitter on what seems to be the release date and an album title. He tweeted, "Album July, a better time." Shortly after the album updates, Davido also announced his collaboration with American rapper Nicki Minaj via his Twitter page, and he tweeted, "OBO, and Nicki Minaj, produced by Spirock Babs. Way to go, Davido. Why are you shocked? I cannot wait for this. I saw this funny tweet, and someone was quoting like from Nicki Minaj's song. She was like, "All this and my sons, shake me." I was like, "Hey!"
It is gonna be dope. Like, I'm looking forward to that one, honestly. Davido, I think that because he dropped A Good Time, like 7 years after or 6 years after, he's now going to the point where he's like, okay, look, I did it. So I can actually drop another one. There's no need to hold on and chill for that long. So
I'm not sure
fingers crossed.
I'm not sure if I like that because this is just 5 months after A Good Time.
A Good Time. That's
However,
what I thought as well.
I am loving the name. You know, this is just a perfect fit. A good time, a better time. I'm loving the fact that he has Nicki Minaj on board with it. However, but I feel like he didn't milk A Good Time album as much as he should have.
Yeah,
because there are a lot of songs right there that I think are gold that he never shot a video for. That is just, it's just like Davido just loves to drop music.
So I hope you're watching or someone in your camp is watching because I actually feel the same way.
Yeah.
So this is the voice of the street. Amanda and I were the voice of the street. Please just give us at least 3 more videos. Then we can move on to a better time.
You can still move on to a better time.
Because we are still having a good time.
We're still having a good, see, babe, you're on a roll. We're still having a good time. We still want some more videos from you. But congratulations on your forthcoming album and, of course, your feature with Nicki Minaj. That's a huge one right there.
I look forward to that one. Spirock. Yeah, Nicki Minaj. That'll be interesting. All right, guys, that's all we have for you on Entertainment News today.